wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys remember, I want to say it was early 2021 where KVD really had a big comeback moment for them, because y'all know it's been a lot. With that brand, they released the Good Apple foundation. It went viral on TikTok, then it went viral on Instagram, it went viral on YouTube. That was really like their first viral moment for a product in a couple years. Ever since then, I have heard them, be able to keep up talk with some of their launches. And now people are talking about one of their latest launches right here. So you guys want to know more? Let's go. So this is the new KVD Beauty Good Apple Full Coverage Transfer Proof Vegan Serum Foundation. Retails for $42 for 1 fluid ounce. Comes in 40 shades. I picked it up in the shade Deep D82, and it says that it is a lightweight full coverage serum foundation that blends and bends with skin for a natural seamless finish and transfer proof wear. Coverage is full, finish is natural, formulation is liquid. You've never seen full coverage like this, packed with flexible elastomer pigments. Good Apple Full Coverage Transfer Proof Vegan Serum Foundation blends and bends with your skin for a natural, seamless, flashback free finish that covers everything from blemishes to acne scars to hyperpigmentation. It has a pore blurring effect, is non-comedogenic, and stands up to sweat and humidity. Okay, I don't remember what shade I picked up in the original Good Apple foundation. I think it was 78. I was deciding between 78 and 82, but I'm going off the sticker on this one, which is why I went with 82. So this is what the packaging looks like. All right, let's try this foundation. It does have a pump. Okay, all right. Let's see. That is 1 pump. Okay. It doesn't seem like that's that much, but you never know. It says full coverage, so start small. Okay, that is 1 pump. Honestly, I expect full coverage from this brand. This isn't the full coverage that I'd be expecting from this brand, because you see how you can see some dark spots here from when I got my chin waxed. It left a bunch of spots from the breakout that I had because I have sensitive skin. I have a beauty mark right here. It's kind of covered, but you can kind of still see it. That was only 1 pump though, so let's see what 2 pumps does. See, I feel like that second pump had more to it. That first pump always plays me. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that's a little bit more of the, there we go. That's a little bit more of the full coverage I'm used to from this brand. Now, as far as the shade, let's see what my face looks like by the time I finish. But this is what the foundation looks like on my face. I am going to use the Good Apple concealer as well. I'm going to go finish my face. Okay, so this is going to be my face for the day. Again, a matte face, and I've been used to recently, but the last time I did a matte face, I liked it. So, maybe I gotta have a nice balance of radiant matte faces for an everyday face. But this is what it looks like. Like I said, Good Apple concealer on as well. It is, gotta clear these notifications real quick, hold on. Okay, it is 12:20. I'm gonna go. It is a very busy day for me, so I'm gonna try to check in the afternoon. It's also raining, but I'll still try to show what it looks like in natural daylight, and then come back later on to give my overall thoughts on this foundation. And yeah, let's go. Okay, y'all, I did not do a midday check-in. I've been all over Georgia today, okay? I had a lot to do with my family. Y'all really not gonna believe this, but it is 4:11 in the morning. It is 4 a.m. in the morning. I am finally coming back to tell you this is what my face looks like after putting this foundation on. What is that? 16 hours ago? This is what my face looks like. So yeah, you know, definitely a matter face than I'm used to. And I would say, I don't think like I overproduced oil to get oily. It's just 16 hours later without a touch up. I would say she's doing pretty good. I think definitely in my T-zone, my nose area is shiny. You know, this area over here, basically my T-zone, like my brows are sweating, but it's 16 hours later. I also feel like, I'm gonna blot, but I also feel like maybe it's just me. It's looking textured. I feel like it's looking textured. Maybe it's just me. And you know, it is 4 o'clock in the morning, so I might be overthinking it a little bit, but let me go ahead, blot one side of my face. Blot my brows are really sweating. Okay. Ooh, that is what that looks like. So yeah, it's gonna be, now keep in mind, it's been a long day with my family. I've been kissing people on the cheek all day. I didn't get makeup on anyone. So again, it might just be because like the oil at this point where it's just dissolving the makeup as well. Let me see if I blot the other side. Oh, that's what it looks like after blotting. But after blotting, you know, for 16 hours later, that's the emphasis, 16 hours later. So my thoughts on this foundation, first of all, because if I don't say now, I'm gonna forget later. I was wearing the Good Apple concealer with this as well. I think that might be a little too much matte. Now keep in mind, I do have drier under eyes. Like you see how if you pull down here, like you can see actual product in there. But again, 16 hours, but the two together for a majority of the day, like I was getting compliments on how I look, all that stuff. And usually, you know, product lines, when you keep them consistent, like you know, you use both the Fenty Pro Filter and the Pro Filter concealer, like they're just made to go together, so they usually look better when you wear it that way. I think the same thing works here because even though this is a matter foundation, it's still supposed to be like a serum foundation. You know, serum foundations are, you know, they're supposed to have like skincare benefits to them as well. So the formula isn't as thick, usually. I think that's the case here. What is kind of weird though is even though it's not as thick or as right out of the tube full coverage as KVD Beauty is known for, I can still kind of feel it throughout the day. Not as bad as like sometimes how I can feel MAC foundation or anything like that, but I definitely felt this during the day, and y'all know I don't like feeling makeup, so that was kind of a con for me. And I guess now after like seeing like transfer, that could be considered a con for me, but other than that, like I like this foundation. It is winter, you know, so I definitely think in the summer if you have oily skin, and you don't like mattifying type foundations, you would like this. I think it wears well throughout the day. Obviously, it's something that you can wear throughout the winter. It won't dry out your skin, but you know, I know a lot of people don't really like matte foundations in the winter. I'm trying to think. But I think, you know, as far as color match, as far as how it wears, anything else? I'm trying to think. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Like I said, it was matte. What else I can't think of anything else. But if I had to pick between this and the other foundation, I like the other foundation. I didn't wear it too often, like after the first few times that I wore it. If I had to pick, I think I would definitely pick this one. I think this one's a little more long wearing. This one's probably a little more suited for my skin type. I think better shade this time around. I think it's been a minute since I've tried the other one. I could try the other one to like the two next to each other to see how it goes, maybe in a short, so it's not like a full video on that one. Let me know if you guys want to see that next to each other. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I think I showed you how it wore, thoughts. It, like, honestly, my mind is jumbled right now. I really just want to take this off and go to bed. I think that's it. So yeah, that is it for this foundation. If you have any other questions on how this works like that, just ask me in the comments down below, because I'm really drawing a blank right now. But I hope seeing me check this out has helped. If any of you think of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.